is the place and is hai. Next thing, your profession. So if you have to tell about your profession, you have to say that I am a student. मैं एक छात्र हूँ. If you are a doctor, you have to say that मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. I am a doctor. If you are a professor, you have to say that I am a professor. मैं एक lecturer हूँ. Next thing, your hobby. If you have your hobby in dancing, you have to generally say I like dancing. मुझे नृत्य पसंद है. If you have your hobby in music, you have to say I like music. मुझे संगीत पसंद है. If you have your hobby in reading, you have to say I like reading. मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है. Now the end of the interview. We generally say in English that okay, see you again when we leave the meeting. And in Hindi we have to say अच्छा फिर मिलते हैं. Okay, see you again. अच्छा फिर मिलते हैं. In my next video lecture, I will get more videos related to vocabulary. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you again.